Hello, good day. My name is Zora and I'm from SDVoE. Based on some requirements from customers and friends, today we are going to introduce our BR9 series video controller and called the AV over IP products. Because regarding the friends or the customers' concerns, they don't know what is exactly AV over IP or what is encoder and decoder, what is distributed product, what is all the products connected over the internet. So today we are going to introduce the AV over IP product briefly, and the first content we will introduce what exactly is AV over IP, and secondly we will introduce the advantage and disadvantage of each types of the AV over IP products. So okay, let's move on. What exactly is AV over IP, or commonly known as a video over IP or distributed video controller or the IP-based video controller network AV? It all essentially means the same thing. AV over IP stands for the audiovisual over internet protocol. Technically, it's the transmission of audiovisual data over a network such as LAN, VLAN, or the internet. In AV over IP, the AV transmitters become encoders and the receivers become decoders, and the switcher becomes a standard IP switch. So based on the encoder and decoder technology, the AV over IP can be divided into three types. The first type is the deep compression distributed products. As the name implies, this type is the video signals are deeply compressed to achieve system functions based on H.264 and H.265 encoding and decoding algorithms. So mainly used in some applications which not require the image quality or delay, like the video monitoring, security area, the web broadcast, etc. But it cannot using the conference or the command room. And the deep compression usually adopts the 4:2:0 the color sampling method and interframe compression based algorithms to perform deep the lossy compression on the video signal, and use low bit stream to transmit the video signal. The bandwidth of this one uncompressed 2K video is the 2.99 Gbps. So after compression is the 2 to 10 Mbps. So the second type we call the light compression distributed products. This type of products are a new distributed type that has emerged in recent years. The main purpose to solve the shortcoming of the deep compression technology in the distributed system of command centers, such as the high latency, poor image quality, and synchronization issues. So mainly include the SDVoE, the VC2, the JPEG 2000, provide algorithm and the other encoding the methods which is private. And this type usually using the 4x4x4 color sampling and lossless compression based algorithm to compress the video signals in a small amount, provide video processing methods with high bit rate, low delay, high image quality, and high synchronization. So the third type of the AV over IP products is dual streaming distributed products. Actually, this is a very new concept in AV over IP area. The characteristics and advantages of the first two types distributed products are integrated through the design of the dual distributed cores. So the dual streaming is now simply capable of combining the deep compression cold stream and the light compression cold stream at the same time, but a solution to combine the advantages of two together to actual applications the requirements. It has a perfect variety of application methods while processing high quality and lossless video industry effects and low latency transmission, and solve the problems of compatibility with the two H.264 and H.265 devices on the market in actual use and long distance video sharing under low network bandwidth. So above is the three tabs of the video wall controller, which is the AV over IP. But with the industry's pursuit of the distributed system in recent years, the AV over IP system have become a recognized future in the professional audio-video industry. We believe that over the time flies, distributed audio and video system will become the first choice for audio and video solutions. So at the same time, more and more customers are choosing the distributed products, and they will definitely put forward higher requirements on the stability, reliability, ease of using, and display effects of distributed products. In the process of the rapid development of the distributed system, who can achieve system-wide distributed solutions, who can keep up with the customer needs, who can solve customer pain points more actually and truly take a customer's as a core, who can take the lead in the wave of distributed system and become the true #1 brand of distributed system. So this part is what exactly is AV over IP. Next part, we will introduce what advantage and disadvantage of each items. Okay, so let's move another episode.